Friends and family is a common topic in the IELTS speaking test. Today, I'll share some useful phrases and example sentences on this topic. At the end of the video, I'll share questions to practice these phrases, and you can watch sample answers here. The link to the PDF document is in the first comment. 1. A close-knit group. Example:
I'm lucky to have a close-knit group I can always rely on.
2. Ups and downs together. Example: We've had our ups and downs together, but we've always stayed friends. 3. Someone reliable. Example: He's someone reliable. I know he'd never let me down. 4. Same sense of humor. Example: We get along so well because we have the same sense of humor. 5. Like two peas in a pod. Example: We're like two peas in a pod. We do everything together. 6. Instant connection. Example: We had an instant connection from the first time we met. 7. Fair weather friend. Example: I don't really trust her anymore. She turned out to be a fair weather friend. 8. A shoulder to cry on. Example: My best friend has always been a shoulder to cry on when things go wrong. 9. A tight and supportive family. Example: I feel grateful to come from a tight and supportive family. 10. Good family dynamics. Example: We've got pretty good family dynamics. There's not much drama. 11. Family comes first. Example:
No matter what, family comes first for me.
12. Close with my siblings. Example:
I'm really close with my siblings. We talk all the time.
13. Family traditions. Example:
We have lovely family traditions, like a big meal every Sunday.
14. Strict but reasonable parents. Example:
My parents were strict but reasonable, which helped shape who I am.
15. Open conversations. Example:
We have really open conversations in our family, which helps a lot.
16. Differences of opinion. Example:
Sure, we have our differences of opinion, but we always talk it through.
17. Mutual respect. Example:
Our friendship works because there's a lot of mutual respect.
18. Clear communication. Example:
Clear communication helps us avoid arguments.
19. Heart-to-heart chats. Example:
Sometimes we just sit down for a proper heart-to-heart chat.
20. Complete trust. Example:
I have complete trust in my best friend. I can tell her anything.
21. Unconditional support. Example:
I've always had unconditional support from my parents.
22. Hardly any arguments. Example:
We get along so well. There are hardly any arguments between us.
23. Growing apart. Example:
We used to be close, but we've grown apart over the years.
24. Childhood connection. Example:
We've had a strong childhood connection that's lasted into adulthood.
25. Same schoolmates. Example:
We were same schoolmates, and that's where our friendship began.
26. Always hanging out. Example,
We were always hanging out after school, doing nothing in particular.
27. A more mature bond. Example,
As we got older, our friendship turned into a more mature bond.
28. Keeping in touch. Example,
Even though we live far apart now, we've done well keeping in touch.
29. Shared memories. Example,
We've made so many shared memories over the years.
30. Constant support. Example,
I've had constant support from my family, especially during tough times.
that's the end of the phrases. Now let's look at some questions about this topic. Try to use the phrases we just covered to answer these questions. Part 1. How often do you spend time with your family? Who are you closest to in your family? Do you think family is important? Do you prefer spending time with your family or friends? Has your family size changed over time? How important are friends to you? Do you often go out with your friends? Where do you often meet each other? What do you usually do with your friends? Do you have a friend you have known for a long time? Do you like making friends? Did you make a lot of friends when you were a child? Have you ever made any new friends recently? What do you often talk with your friends? Where can you meet new people? Part 2. Talk about an old friend you lost touch with and reconnected with. You should say who this person is, how you lost touch, how you got back in contact, and explain how you felt about reconnecting. Describe a member of your family you get on well with. You should say who it is, what relationship you have to that person, what that person is like, what you do together, and explain why you get on so well. Describe a time when you helped a family member. You should say when it happened, who you helped, how you helped, and explain how you felt about the experience. Part 3. Why do people lose touch with friends over time? Is it easier to stay connected with friends nowadays than in the past? Do you believe it's important to maintain lifelong friendships? Do you think family members should spend a lot of time together? What are the benefits of having a close relationship with family members? How has technology affected the way family members communicate with each other? Do you think it's important for children to spend time with their grandparents? That's the end of today's video. You can find the link to the sample answer video in the description.